Gather up your memorable items and let's make a memory box. Here are a few of the things you're going to need for this project. A wooden shadow box. This is one I had in my stash. All of the things that you want to put in your shadow box, all your mementos. You're going to need some chalk paint, some antiquing wax, and a glue gun. And I'm going to be talking about this glue gun that I am reviewing in just a few minutes. Now, the best advice I have is to lay everything out on your board before you ever start making it. Take a picture of it so you can go back and see how to place everything. Now, I gave this box 2 coats of chalk paint. Then after it dried, I added my antiquing wax, and I put that on with a brush, and then just did this in portions because I didn't want it too dark. So I did about 2 to 3 inch strips, and then I'd go and wipe it off. Now, it was a little bit too dark for me, so after I wiped it off with a dry cloth, I took a damp lint-free cloth and went back over it and took a lot of that off. I just wanted it to look old, and so this is the finished look. I love it. I think it's going to look great in my sewing room. There is my picture on my iPad, so now I can start setting out all of my mementos. There's my mom, and we'll get busy and we'll start using this new glue gun. Alright, I am really excited to try out this Bleds cordless hot glue gun. I was contacted by the company and asked to review it, and I needed one. I really have been looking for a nice cordless glue gun. It comes in this beautiful little pink case, and it has a pack of glue sticks already in it, and they even put some glitter glue sticks, which I've never used these, so I'm excited about that. Has the complete instructions on how to charge this and how to use it, so that was helpful. I read all that. And then it comes with this charger cord, and you need a 5-volt base. This is what I charged it with. It's right here. I already had, that's my iPad charger. Charged it perfectly fine with that, but it comes with this. It has a lithium battery in it, so all you have to do is just charge it. The first charge took about an hour to do, but that's right out of the box. So it has a stand that comes off, and then I like the stand because my other glue gun, the stand broke, and it just lays down all the time, and it has the clip. So I'm going to hit the on button. It's blue, so that's telling me it's fully charged and ready to go. And then I'm going to put in, this uses the skinny glue sticks. I'm going to stick that in there. All right, and we're going to give this a try. We'll start gluing all the items in our shadow box. So let me move the camera down where you can see, and we'll get started. right, here is the finished shadow box. I love it. I'm so excited. It just brings back a lot of good memories of my mom who sewed all our clothes. She sewed my prom dresses. And then when my kids were born, she made baby blankets and their clothes. So it's a great way to remember all those good days. I am hunting for her thimble. I have them somewhere in all of my sewing boxes in the attic, but I want to get her thimble and put it right here. And if I see any more things, I've got room to put them in, but I think it turned out so pretty, and I love the picture of my sister and I in the dresses she made, and she even made the hats. She was amazing. She learned lots of new things, and she always encouraged me to learn new things. So I am real tickled at how this turned out. And even more so, I am going to give this a very high review. I was able to do this whole thing on a charge, and it still had plenty of charge. I love that the tip is small, so the glue comes out small, doesn't come out in a big blob. So I highly recommend this. Would make a really good Christmas present for a crafting lady like me. And so I highly recommend this. I'm going to leave a link in my description box below where you can get this on Amazon. So thank you so much for letting me review it, because I love it. So thank you for watching. You can do this idea with just about anything. You can do it with, my husband was very active in Scouts, and I have a much bigger shadow box, so he and I are going to work on putting a Scout box together. But anything you can put in these, you can customize it to yourself, and I just love it. I think it's so pretty. I can't wait to go hang at my sewing room. So thank you all for watching. If you have any questions, leave those in the comments below. I hope you all have a blessed day.